In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to your Pictory AI project. We're keeping this simple and focused, so by the end you'll know exactly how to bring your video to life with the right soundtrack. Start by opening Pictory AI in your browser. If you're already working on a video, great. If not, you can choose any type of AI generation to begin, or simply pick a project from your recent work. Either option is fine. The music process is the same. Once your project is open, look to the left side of the screen and find the audio section. This is where Pictory keeps all things sound related. Click on Audio to open it. Inside, you'll see categories to help you manage narration and music. For this tutorial, we're focusing on background tracks, so go ahead and select music. You'll now have access to a library of songs you can use. This is where a little thought goes a long way. Consider the mood of your video and the pace of your edits. For upbeat, energetic content, a faster tempo can help maintain momentum. For tutorials, explainers, or reflective pieces, gentler instrumentals often keep the focus on your visuals and voiceover. If your video includes dialogue or on-screen text, instrumentals or minimal vocals are usually the safest choice, so the music supports rather than competes with your message. Browse through genres or search by keywords that match your theme. Take a moment to listen to a few options and compare how they feel against your content. Pay attention to the first few seconds of each track to see if the introduction complements your opening visuals, and consider whether the track's overall energy stays consistent from start to finish. A consistent mood helps your edit feel cohesive. When you've found a track you like, select it and then click Apply. That one click attaches the music to your project. Give your timeline a quick review to make sure the tone fits across your scenes. If it's not quite right, no problem. You can return to music and try a different track until you're satisfied. That's all there is to it. You've added background music to your Pictory AI project quickly and cleanly. A well-chosen soundtrack can transform your video, guiding the viewer's attention and setting the emotional tone without stealing the spotlight. Take your time choosing a track that complements your content, and you'll notice a big difference in how professional your final video feels. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Pictory AI.